Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup with Storybook Design System Stories, full guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up with Storybook Design System Stories, ensure you have a clear understanding of your project's structure. First, navigate to your Storybook project directory in your terminal. Ensure you have the necessary tools installed. If not already installed, add Storybook to your project using the command npm install at storybook/react. Once installed, launch Storybook by executing the command npm run storybook. This should open the Storybook interface in your web browser. Next, locate the stories you wish to backup within your project. These stories are typically found in the src/stories directory or a similar path. To keep your backup organized, create a new folder specifically for the backup, such as backup_stories. Copy the desired story files from the src/stories directory into your newly created backup folder. If your stories are written in a specific format, ensure you preserve their structure during the copy. After copying, verify that all story files are present in the backup folder. Consider using version control for additional safety. Initialize a new Git repository in your backup folder if you don't have one already. Commit your changes to the repository to ensure a record of your backup. If desired, push the backup to a remote repository for cloud storage. Check your remote repository to confirm the backup uploaded successfully. Finally, document the backup location and the date for future reference. This process ensures your Storybook Design System stories are safely backed up and easily retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.